Students, please switch off your minds. Greetings of the day. Today, let us see value education, multiple choice questions. Unit 1, values and the individual. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. This was the statement told by
Mahatma Gandhi.
which of the following is not one of the philosophies of values? Dharma, Artha, Viruddha, Moksha.
Viruddha.
Dash is considered to be the ultimate end of life. Dharma, Kama, Artha, Moksha.
Moksha.
The beauty of nature, works of art, etc. are classified as economic values, intellectual values, recreational values, aesthetic values.
Aesthetic values.
Moral vacuum is caused by lack in constitution, present day educational system, society, neighborhood.
Present day educational system.
Which among the following is not a pillar of self-discipline? Acceptance, hard work, persistence, acknowledgement.
Acknowledgement.
Dash is excessive belief in someone succeeding without any regard for failure. Self-discipline, overconfidence, self-confidence, empathy.
Overconfidence.
Value inculcation means explaining values, teaching about values, fixing up values in mind, all of the above.
All of the above.
Compassion means co-authoring, co-suffering, co-organizing, colleague.
Co-suffering.
To grant free pardon and to give up all claim on account of an offense or debt is sympathy, empathy, forgiveness, honesty.
Forgiveness.
Does help to make world a happy place? Money, values, social networking, friends.
Values.
The meaning for dharma is virtue, wealth, pleasure, self-realization.
Virtue.
Virtue means good qualities. The four great values in Indian philosophy are named as Ditas, Anutritas, Purusharthas, Vikas.
Purusharthas.
Artha stands for moral value, psychological value, perfection value, economic value.
Economic value.
Which among the following is not Trivarga? Moksha, Dharma, Artha, Kama.
Moksha.
Dash can wipe out procrastination, disorder and ignorance, self-belief, self-control, selflessness, self-discipline.
Self-discipline.
Narrow-mindedness, communalistic, linguistic and rationalistic outlook are the reasons for value erosion, empathy, sympathy, harmony.
Value erosion.
The five pillars of values are a will, a whip, a wind, a waltz.
A whip.
A stands for acceptance, W for willpower, H honesty, hard work, I industry and P persistence, a whip. Compassion originates from dash term. English term, Greek term, Latin term, Sanskrit term.
Latin term.
In our contemporary culture, we tend to have a rather dash relationship with values like kindness and compassion. Enlightened, happy, confused, strong.
Confused.
In the secular West, we lack a dash cultural framework. Logical, illogical, good, coherent.
Coherent.
Coherent, okay. Forgiveness is pardon, mercy, pity, all of the above.
All of the above.
Most world religious teachings include on the nature of happiness, sadness, forgiveness, none of the above.
Forgiveness.
As a result of giving or receiving forgiveness, a person may feel grateful, empowered, thankful, all of the above.
All of the above.
There are two types of courages, and they are what are the two types of courages?
Physical, moral.
Physical and moral. The ability to confront fear, pain, and risk is known as power, victory, courage, none of the above.
Courage.
Okay. Various attributes are of honesty are integrity, truthfulness, straightforwardness, all of the above.
All of the above.
Physical courage is courage in the face of mental pain, physical pain, psychological pain, none of the above.
Mental pain.
Just a minute, I will correct the spelling here. Self-confidence can be partial fulfilling, self-fulfilling, none of the above.
Self-fulfilling.
Inferiority is a state of mind in which you have declared yourself a victim, confident, culprit, none of the above.
Victim.
Empathy is to be identified with dash feelings. Single, multiple, others, none of the above.
Others.
Others' feelings. We can improve our self-confidence through identifying our failure, happiness, success, none. Success. We can improve our self-confidence through identifying our success.
Success.
We can improve our self-confidence through recognizing our failure, insecurities, sadness, none.
Insecurities.
Dash is known as pillar of self-confidence. Acceptance, success, failure, none.
Acceptance.
The basic method to build self-confidence is to dash challenges, tackle, undertake, attempt, all the above.
All the above.
The pillars of self-confidence are personal integrity, willpower, hard work, all the above.
All the above.
Value education is the education that is concerned with the transformation of a or an dash personality. Self, common, individual, none.
Individual.
As Gandhiji pointed out, education without character leads to personality, criminality, social work, none.
Criminality.
The values related to God is known as dash value, religious value. Plato has classified values according to ultimate realities of
All the
goodness,
above.
beauty, truth, all the above. Okay. Okay, thank you. Let us see the second unit, the next video. Thank you, Kartika.
Welcome, ma'am.